Have you ever asked Google AI Studio to update your website but nothing changed after you click the push to GitHub? You're not alone. Sometimes the built-in GitHub integration simply doesn't work, which means your website never gets updated. In this video, I'll show you how to install GitHub Desktop on your computer, connect it to your repository, and push your website manually. Once everything is set up, you'll have a much more reliable workflow and you won't have to depend on Google AI Studio GitHub integration anymore. So let's get started. The very first thing we have to do is to install GitHub to our computer. So here we are in this web page, desktop.github.com. This page is for downloading GitHub Desktop for Mac. If you are a Windows user, it's also provided. You just have to click this link to download the GitHub. After downloading, we will head to Google AI Studio and come to this code tab. Then click the export and download the zip file for the code. And we need to look for the downloaded zip file and unzip that file. By now, you should have already installed GitHub to your desktop, so we will open up the GitHub Desktop. We need to look for the GitHub folder. So here we are, just click on Show in Finder. So after we click Show in Finder, the top folder is actually what is in the Show in Finder from GitHub. The top folder is the GitHub folder. If you are a new user to GitHub, most likely this folder is empty. Previously, I've already imported my files into this folder, so there are some files in it. The bottom folder is the folder that we have downloaded from Google AI Studio just now. So right now, all we have to do is to copy and paste into the GitHub folder. If you already have files like me in that folder, all you have to do is just to replace the original file to update the code. Okay, so let me arrange this, sort it out first by name so that it looks neater. Now we'll head back to GitHub, and now we have to tick and commit to the main branch. So right now I'm ticking it one by one and committing it one by one to the main branch. After you have committed everything, right now we have to push the file to the origin. So just click the push origin button. It will take some time to actually update and refresh. You can go grab a coffee and come back. Most likely your website will already be updated. And that's it. Your computer is now connected to GitHub and you can manually push your website updates whenever Google AI Studio GitHub integration isn't working. This setup only takes a few minutes, but it can save you a lot of frustration when you are building AI-powered projects. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing because every week I share AI practicals, tutorials, website building workflows, and behind-the-scenes videos showing how I'm creating my AI animated series, The Last Prophecy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.